The J-36 fighter jet is the pinnacle of the Chinese military's aerospace technology advancements. It is not only designed to dominate the modern air battlefield, but also utilizes a variety of cutting-edge technologies that combine aerodynamics, artificial intelligence, and electronic warfare capabilities. With a focus on flexibility, strike power, and high survivability, the J-36 has become a symbol of advanced and unrivaled air power. The J-36 design combines cutting-edge aerodynamic principles with structural innovations designed to maximize speed and agility. The wide delta wing and minimalist vertical tail fin serve to reduce air resistance and provide optimal stability in a variety of combat situations. The aircraft's main structure is made from an ultra-strong yet lightweight composite of carbon fiber and nanometallic alloys. These materials allow for weight reduction without sacrificing durability, as well as providing additional advantages in stealth capabilities. The J-36's surface coating uses radar-absorbing nanomaterials that absorb radar signals with up to 90% efficiency. This technology makes the aircraft difficult to detect by enemy radars even in battlefield conditions with high radar intensity. The surface of the aircraft is also designed with a certain angle of inclination to reflect radar signals in a direction that is not detected by enemy radar antennas. The J-36 radar system is a next-generation AESA active electronically scanned array radar capable of scanning and tracking with high speed and accuracy. It has a detection range of up to 500 kilometers and can track up to 50 targets simultaneously. This multi-target scanning system provides a great advantage in dealing with multiple threats on the battlefield. In addition to the AESA radar, the J-36 is equipped with various electro-optical and infrared sensors. These sensors serve to detect heat signatures from enemy aircraft or vehicle engines and provide excellent night vision capabilities. With the help of these sensors, the J-36 can identify and lock onto targets even in bad weather conditions or visually impaired battlefields. The integration of artificial intelligence AI in the J-36 is one of the features that sets this aircraft apart from previous generation fighter jets. The AI serves as a digital co-pilot capable of analyzing battlefield data in real time and providing tactical advice to the human pilot. In critical situations, the AI can take over full control of the aircraft to avoid threats or execute automated defensive maneuvers. The J-36's AI capabilities are not just limited to navigation and decision-making. The AI system can also learn from combat experience, identify enemy attack patterns, and fine-tune future tactical responses. In certain missions, the J-36 can even be operated autonomously without a human pilot, making it ideal for reconnaissance or attack missions in high-risk areas. The J-36 is designed to be a master of electronic warfare. The EW system installed on the aircraft is capable of detecting, disrupting, and disabling enemy communications, radar, and missile control systems. This technology allows the J-36 to disable enemy air defenses before making a direct attack. In addition, the J-36 has the ability to deploy electronic decoys and false signals to trick enemy tracking systems. The adaptive frequency jamming technology can be automatically adjusted to deal with a variety of different electromagnetic threat spectrums, making the J-36 extremely difficult for radar-guided missiles to lock onto. The J-36 is armed with a wide array of advanced weapon systems designed to deal with different types of threats. Hypersonic air-to-air missiles equipped with multi-spectrum guidance systems provide long-range target destruction capabilities with high accuracy. High-precision air-to-ground missiles also enable attacks on both static and moving ground targets. One of the biggest innovations in the J-36's armament is the use of laser energy weapons. These weapons are designed to disable enemy drones, missiles, or even vehicles without the use of conventional ammunition. The advantages of laser weapons are their near-instant attack speed and the ability to strike targets without a visible sound or visual trail. The heart of the J-36 is a 6th-generation twin-turbojet engine designed to provide massive thrust with minimal fuel consumption. These engines allow the J-36 to reach hypersonic speeds of up to Mach 5, making it one of the fastest aircraft in its class. With air-to-air refueling technology, the J-36 has a very wide cruising range and can perform long-range missions without the need to land for refueling. The engine's internal cooling system is also designed to maintain operational stability in hypersonic speeds and extreme temperatures. This technology gives the engine durability advantages while reducing the chance of technical failures during long combat missions. Development of the J-36 is projected to continue with the addition of various new features. Possible future innovations include the integration of secure quantum communication systems, the development of high-energy particle-based weapons, as well as enhanced autonomous intelligence for unmanned operations. Adaptive maneuverability and full integration with cloud-based combat networks are also the focus of further development. With all the cutting-edge technologies applied to the J-36, the aircraft is not only a symbol of Chinese air power, but also proof that the future of modern air warfare lies in the perfect blend of human and technological innovation. The J-36 has placed itself at the forefront of global air competition and is ready to face any challenges and threats in the ever-evolving aerospace era.